And what are you girls doing here?
We're packing meals. We are doing a 1 meal pack for the children in South Africa for the M5M mission. So we first put in a little packet of the Fido blend, which is all the good stuff from Manitou, and then we're putting in a cup of lentils, followed by a little scoop of vegetables and some rice, and that is 1 meal for 1 child.
Beautiful.
Packed over 200,000 boxes today. Well, the weekend. So just today we packed 100,000, which means that we packed more boxes today than the previous teams. So you guys are awesome. Yes, we finished strong. And so these meals are going to children in South Africa and one of our partnerships in Paarl, which is just outside of Cape Town. So we're so excited. Our goal for 2018 is 8 million meals. So you're part of that. And we thank you guys so much.
16,000 children every single day. And what's amazing about these meals is that right inside of there is the M5M Fido Blend formula. It is brand new to our meal. We are so grateful to be partnering with you guys in the M5M Foundation to make these meals more healthier for these children. So it's unbelievable. Inside the meal we have rice, lentil, and 60 hydrated vegetables, over 20 grams of protein. These meals are designed to help children go from stage 4 malnutrition all the way to full health just by eating 2 cups a day. So they're doing incredible things. They're saving lives, and they're just letting kids have a chance to be kids. Yay. So with the help of all of you, we have been able to do this. 200,000 meals. There you go. All right.